Welcome to beautiful Sanford, Florida. My name is Jessica Crawford and I'm the Business Development Coordinator for Alpha Foundations. Welcome to one of our satellite offices. I'd love to show you around. Welcome to our lobby area. Over here you can see we've got a great welcome table. When we show up to the office, we like to bring the production and sales teams some goodies. So this is where we place them. Obviously this morning the production team was treated with Dunkin' Donuts and some beverages. Over here is our training area. This is where the magic happens. This is where every other week our production and our sales teams meet just to make sure that every job that we've got coming up is going to be perfectly planned out. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the offices that are located throughout the rest of the space. This first office here belongs to the president. It's my office, so this is where I like to spend most of my time throughout the week, making sure that all business development is handled in a obviously very fashionable manner. Moving a little bit further down the hall, we have our production team's main office. So this is where our warehouse manager and our production manager do a lot of their office work. And then last but not least, this is where our sales manager spends the majority of his time. So this is Brendan's office. As you can imagine, when we do trade shows, we have lots of goodies that we have to bring with us. So I'm lucky enough to say that I get to claim 2 offices in the building, and this is where we store all of our trade show stuff. All right, so at the end of a long, hard day, this is where a lot of our production team members come to hang out. We make sure that the fridge is always stocked with Gatorades and waters, and in these cabinets we make sure that there are snacks filled with protein, sweets, and goodies to make sure that their bellies stay happy. So let's go check out my favorite part of the office space, the warehouse. All right, so did you guys know that this space is about 15,000 square feet? We have plenty of space to store all of our products throughout the warehouse. Hey, Dre. So much for stopping by. That concludes your Sanford warehouse tour. As always, Alpha Foundations is happy to provide free estimates, so when in doubt, give us a shout. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.